Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where fun quizzes come to life. Today it's Would You Rather Animal Edition. Choose fast, comment your answers, and let's begin.
Dogs or cats? Drop your answer below. Lion or tiger? Who's your pick? Flying high or swimming deep? Comment now. Speed or strength? Choose wisely. Wolves or elephants? Tell us. Super sight or super smell? What would you rather? Tiny or giant? Type your choice. Horse or camel? Let's see it. Which one scares you more? Snake or spider? Don't think too long. Sky or sea? Comment below. Cat life or dog life? Ocean vibes or jungle life? Stand out or blend in? Better hearing or better vision? Panda or penguin, easy or hard? Jump or climb, your move. Which friend would you trust? Who would you face? Lazy life or fast life? Be home or ant home? Roar or hiss? Stripes or spots? Which chase is worse? Glide or dig? Eat bamboo or hunt? Long neck or long arms? Which one are you surviving? Dolphins or whales? Smart or loyal? Claws or teeth? This one's funny, choose. Jungle king or ocean king? Owl or falcon? Walls or jumps? Cold or hot? Which would freak you out? Tail or horns? Pick your nightmare. Absolutely scary, choose. Mind reading or control? Fox or raccoon? Quiet or loud? Zoo or sanctuary? Feared or loved? Feathers or fur? Tree climber or river swimmer? Horses or wolves? Cool eyes or funny ears? Small rider or big rider? Bird life or fish life? Who's protecting you? Bite or kick? Which chase do you pick? Shell or spikes? Survive anywhere or eat anything? Night life or day life? Dragon or dinosaur? Speed or intelligence? Rule them or protect them?
That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.